Hey guys, welcome back. This is Janice and I am back in my kitchen and I will be making tostadas. But before I get started, I would like to tell everyone to please watch my other cooking and crocheting videos. The ingredients that I will be using are refried beans, homegrown tomatoes, grated cheddar cheese, shredded lettuce, and tostada shells. If you like to put some salsa on your tostadas, that's all up to you. And before I make the tostadas, I will warm up the refried beans on the stove for about 5 minutes. Okay, it's been 5 minutes and now the refried beans are all hot and ready for me to start making the tostadas. So the first thing I will do is I will get some beans with a spoon and I would spread all the refried beans all around the tostada shells. Then the next step would be to get some shredded lettuce and put it on top of the tostadas. Then I will put some tomatoes on the tostadas. And the last step I will put is grated cheese. And like I mentioned before, you can add salsa to spice it up a little bit for your tostadas, but that's all up to you. Well, thank you so much for watching my video on how to make tostadas. I hope you will enjoy making them. If you like them, please leave me a comment below and let me know what you think. So please subscribe to my channel and see you next time for more good recipes. Bye!